Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them on either side, with a 12-volt power outlet, and then the power button for your cargo lights, which can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. And then you have your rugged cargo cover, underneath of which you have your spare wheel with some extra room in those compartments. Then looking into the back, we have seating for three comfortably with fold-out armrests and two cup holders, as well as having a 110-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and the backs of the seats have these zippered pouches as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. You do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and you can also go into your further vehicle settings. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. And moving down, you have this tray, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. And below that, you have this cubby area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. And then you also have a 12-volt USB and USB-C. Moving on, you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and then your GOAT mode selectors, so your drive modes. You have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.